What is up, Internet? Today we're going to be doing FBF.4 and F.DF.5. So let's start off the problem by reading the problem. How do I... Okay, seismologists use the Richter scale to express the magnitude of an earthquake. The Richter magnitude of an earthquake, M, is related to the energy released in Earth's E, shown by the form... Can we just delete this? This is terrible. Shown by the formula M equals 2 over 3 log E over 10 to the 11.8 power. In 1964, an earthquake registered a magnitude of 9.2 on the Richter scale. Find the energy released by the earthquake. Okay, so let's start off this problem. Scroll down. Okay, so let's just write out that problem. And let's substitute 9.2 for M because we already know that's the magnitude. Oh my God. Okay, let's get some yellow. Wait, no. So 9.2 equals 2 over 3 log E over 10 to 11.8 power. Alright. So next thing we're going to do is take the reciprocal of 2 over 3 and multiply both sides by that. So that would be 3 over 2 9.2 times 9.2 equals log E over blah. Alright. Scroll. How do I scroll? God. Oh, it's send page. Okay. Alright. So let's just calculate that out. Boom, 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 13.8 equals log. Yeah.
Lag.
Log E over 10 to the 11.8 power. Alright, send page again. So scroll up a tiny bit. That is log, not lag. Alright, so now that we've simplified it, we're going to apply the quotient property of logarithms, which sounds complicated, but it isn't. So we're just going to write 13.8 equals same stuff, but instead of log E over 10 to 11.8, we're going to write log. Dang it, I did it again. do this, 13.8 equals 11.8. Basically just simplified here because log 10 is just 0. Alright, so now we're gonna add 11.8 to 13.8 and get 25.6 equals log E, and then 10 to 25.6 equals E. So that's the amount of energy released. 10 to the 25.6 ergs. And that's all for this problem.